Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Moen garbage disposal. So the Moen garbage disposal is quite different compared to regular garbage disposals. Now, the issue with mine was that it was turning on, but all it was doing was just making a buzzing and humming sound, and it actually wasn't spinning. So what will actually happen is that first you want to go ahead and unplug your Moen garbage disposal. And then what you're going to do next is that you're going to get a sturdy metal piece. So this is the tool that I use. It's a shaver tool, carpenter's tool. So this is pretty sturdy enough. I don't really recommend using like forks, spoons, and knives. But the next thing that you're going to do is that you're also going to grab a flashlight just so that you can look inside the hole. And so next, you want to go ahead and pull the black rubber piece that's in your sink, okay? So it might be a little icky. And now with that shown, you can actually see what's inside your garbage disposal. So this is why you need your flashlight. But with this metal piece that you see here, you're gonna prong it in that little hole right there. So what I'm pointing at is right there. So this piece that you see right over here, sorry, I only have two hands. This piece actually fit in this hole right over there. And then I was able to finally actually turn it. So you wanna use like a sturdy metal piece and actually turn it until it does a full 360. So you might need maybe two metal tools to do this, but if your Moen garbage disposal is turning on but it's not spinning, this is the way to fix it. Okay, you actually do have to go in here and spin it. So notice how it's doing a 360 spin now, and with that you can see that the hole has now moved. But I essentially fixed this just by doing that simple measure right there. Online you might find that there's like a Moen garbage disposal jam fixer. I forget what it's called, but you don't really need to buy it. It's like $12 on Home Depot. I just simply use a tool. I mean, you can use a knife. Just be careful if it breaks, then you're going to need to take the knife out, obviously. And I definitely don't recommend putting your hand in there. You can just use a metal tool to kind of spin it yourself. But that is essentially how I fixed my Moen garbage disposal. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.